Puma and the Little Bird's Broken Wing. One cold morning, Puma was wandering through the forest, enjoying the calmness of the day. The trees were tall, and the leaves danced with the wind. As Puma walked, she suddenly heard soft cries. Puma quickly ran toward the sound. Under a tree, she saw a small bird with a broken wing. The poor bird was trembling and could not fly. "Please help me," the bird whispered. "I fell from my nest, and now I cannot return." Puma's heart broke. She gently lifted the little bird in his paws. "Don't worry, I'll take care of you," she said, trying to comfort the bird. The bird looked up at Puma with sad eyes. "But I want to be with my family. I miss my home." Puma nodded. "I know, but first we must make your wing better." Puma found a soft bed made of leaves and placed the bird carefully on it. Every day, she brought food and water, making sure the bird felt safe. But as the days passed, the bird's sadness did not go away. "I wish I could fly again," the bird said one evening, tears in her eyes. Puma sat beside her, feeling helpless. She wanted to do more for the little bird. One day, while Puma was out looking for food, a strong wind blew through the forest. While she was gone, a big, wild cat appeared, prowling through the trees. It spotted the bird and started to approach, its sharp claws ready to attack. The little bird, terrified, could feel the danger. As the cat stepped closer, she remembered the love and care Puma had given her. In that moment of fear, something inside her changed. With a burst of energy, she flapped her wings harder than ever before. She didn't just flutter, she soared, higher and higher into the sky, the wind pushing her, her wings still sore but stronger. The wild cat roared in frustration, but it was too late. The bird was gone, flying away into the sky. When Puma returned, she saw the wild cat growling and looking up, but no sign of the bird. Puma knew what had happened. The little bird had found the strength to fly again, and not just to escape, but to live freely. Moral of the story: sometimes, hard times help us overcome our struggles. Even in moments of fear and weakness, we can discover our true strength.
Learn professional English words. Trembling. Shaking with fear or cold. The poor bird was trembling and could not fly. Terrified. Extremely scared. The little bird, terrified, could feel the danger. Prowling. Moving quietly and secretly like a hunter. While she was gone, a big, wild cat appeared, prowling through the trees. Flutter. To move the wings lightly and quickly. She didn't just flutter, she soared. Soar. To fly high in the air. Her wings still soared but stronger.